Hey guys, how's it going? Onionmanhd here, and today we're going to be taking a look at a dual wireless charger that can charge your phone and your wireless headphones or watch at the same time. Let's take a look. This brand, I think it's actually some kind of Chinese knockoff brand from Amazon. There's tons of just random brands you never heard of. This one is Hoidokly or something. I don't know. Hoidokly. Okay, so this is a dual wireless charger. There is a charging pad as well as an upright charging stand, and they're supposed to click together. Now it comes with the little pad. That's the one side, and you can see here, this is the one that sits on the side. You can use them separately too. They're supposed to connect magnetically together, or if you want to use them separately, take this one along with you while you're traveling or something. You can do that as well. This one is only 5 volts, so it's not fast wireless charging. This is just like a secondary. You also don't need fast wireless charging when you're charging headphones or watches, because I don't think those have that capability. It does have rubber feet on the bottom, so it won't slide around. And as I said before, you can use this by itself, because it does have a USB on this side, along with those magnetic spots there. Here's also the actual charger. This is the upright one for your phone. This one's supposed to be fast charging. I believe it says on the bottom here, fast wireless charging stand. Input 5 volts or 9 volts. Or if you're in a country that uses amps, 3 amps and 2 amps, I think. I think that's what the 3A and 2A mean. There's a little charging stuff on the side. The actual charging cable for this one is on the back. Most of the time, if you have them together, you're going to be using the one on the big one first, and then they just stick together just like that. So there's little prongs here that kind of connect with the metal connector points on the flat pad. It just kind of goes together and is one piece, and it should charge both. It also comes with a cable. I believe this is USB-C, I would hope. In this day and age, everything should be USB-C by now. USB-C to USB-A, I believe that is. Just the regular USB. You don't get a charging block though. And to get the fast wireless charging, you gotta have the 3.0 quick charge block piece. So make sure you buy the right one. You can get them for like $10 on Amazon. It doesn't come with one. It kind of should at this point, but it doesn't, so you gotta buy your own. Yeah, it's very straightforward. Plugs in here. Let's maybe just plug this in to make sure it actually is working. That clicks in nicely. Let's grab a power cable here. Plug this in. And it looks like there's power. Now I'm gonna see if this is my old phone. I'm getting a new phone very soon. I'm gonna be getting the LG Velvet. I'm just waiting for it to come in. It didn't come in quite at the same time as this. It's supposed to come in actually a little bit earlier, but it was a little bit delayed. So I will just use my old phone for now. This is the LG, not LG. This is the Google Pixel 3 XL. I'm gonna try it with the case on just to make sure. Yep, it turned on. So, you guys can see here. See, it started charging there. Put it on the bottom pad. It starts charging as well. And because of this phone, the quick charge won't work because the Pixel 3, they had problems with needing a specific charger for them to charge properly in fast charging. So this won't matter, but it does work having just magnetically like that, so that's cool. And let's just test the USB on this one just to make sure. Plug it on. Yep, there we go. And it starts charging. Nice. So yeah, this is a nice little option if you want